IdeaHub offers quality telepresence conferencing under the on-premises scenarios, adopting the H.265 codec protocol, shared bandwidth, and Huawei intelligent rate control technology, which ensures full HD video and 4K data sharing. It also supports full-band lossless coverage of audio at a sampling rate of 48 kHz, all running at low bandwidth. During the conference, you can share content with remote colleagues without worrying about distance restrictions. IdeaHub allows you to share whiteboard content to remote site in real time, achieving bi-directional collaboration. With the speaker tracking function, the speaker is always in the middle of the screen. With auto-framing, IdeaHub automatically adjusts its camera based on the number and positions of participants to give you an optimal panoramic view. IdeaHub supports flexible video layout based on SVC multi-stream technology. During the conference, you can switch between the main and sub-video panes with one drag, or double-click a video pane to view it in full screen. And you can choose Presenter View, Picture-in-Picture View, or Gallery View.